I was visiting my Aunt Connie, and my cousin's wife was over visiting, and we were just sitting on the patio, and a raccoon suddenly appeared at the window. And I tapped on the glass to see if he'd come back. And oh my God, look what happened. Hello. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, cutie. Oh, he's hungry.
I can't believe he's not.
Hi, sweetie. Hello. Oh my God, he's so cute. I want to let him in. Your mom will kill me.
Connie, I love that.
Oh my gosh. Where'd he go?
He's right there.
Oh, hi. Hello, cutie.
I
Hi.
can't believe he's coming up so close.
What do you want? You want something to eat? Oh, sweetheart. Oh, look at he's like a little kitty. Do we have some food I could give him? But then he'll come back. Oh, he's kind of scared now because I stood up. Hi. 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 Oh, hello, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. Oh, I want to go.
That's so funny.
I want to give him something. He's hungry. But if you feed them, then they keep coming around. Bye. Thank you. That was so cool. And I would have let him in and fed him if it was my house.